Hello, jammers and YouTubers. Purple Oreo 7 or Forever AJ 4444 here. Today I will just be showing sort of random things like glitches and mainly glitches. But, well, yeah. So, first off, I am going to do a glitch. So, I'm going to switch my den to an empty den. Well, it doesn't have to be an empty den. I'm just going to do it in here. I don't know why that stuff is there. But, yeah. So you should get about... I got like 20, like exactly 20. So you should get 20 of these National Geographic signs. Yes, they are member only, but I'm pretty sure you can do it with any item. But these are just really cheap, so... Ooh, my inventory is full, so I'm gonna move up my inventory real quick. No, I'm gonna start a fight. Okay, sorry guys, I have to recycle items. Loading. This is pouring. You should skip if you want to get to the important stuff. If there is important stuff. I'm gonna start a fight. Yeah, I don't like the glitchy stuff. I voted for theater. They're just glitchy. They're like glitchy. I'm so glitchy. You already know. Okay, so you get about 20. I already have like 2. So, yeah. So I'm going to get about, 20 of them. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19, what to recycle, recycle some bad stuff. Recycling time. What to recycle? Let's recycle this. 19, then 20. I'm gonna start a fight. Woo. Oh, no, that has poofy stuff on it. I'll just do my fox. Okay. 20. So, what you do now is, it's really simple. All you technically have to do is click, and don't move them, just click them all in a row. Click, click, click. Oops. Click. Click. Clickety, click, 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 clang, clang. And then you see, when you walk in, it's all blacky stuff. So that is the National Geographic glitch. So there's that. Next is the color glitch, which a lot of you know. It's just basic color glitch. So you just have to click the very, very corner of that and the very, very corner. Oops, sometimes it does that. Very, very corner of that. It may take a while sometimes. And you can do it on everything. The eyes, yeah, everything. I'm gonna put mine back. So you can do it on everything. So there is that glitch. What else was I gonna do? Whoa, this is really pouring. Well, let's see. I am going to adopt a kid and see how fun that is. Oops, that was caps. Whoops. When I could do Animal Jam. I mean, not Animal Jam. What is wrong with me? I am so mad because HHQ stinking put. Ooh, okay, I'll adopt you. Ooh, weird. Sorry. And another one. Adoption. If she has a lynx, then she could be like a, snow leopard pup. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Oh, so good. So, yeah. Let's see, how many days do I have on my membership? Oh, only 51. Please say yes. Size of cheetah. Okay, I am adopting this child-ish, maybe child, maybe child, maybe not. Maybe child, maybe not. Maybe child, maybe not. Maybe child, maybe not. Please just come to my dinner already. I'll just. Oops, caps again. Seriously, what is wrong with me? Ooh, I got one person. Oh, at least two. Please. Okay, fine, one's enough. Okay, so I have a child. I think. Well, sort of. Super sister and bunny girl, of course. Turn into cheetah. This is your guys' room. Okay, so, my daughter, yay. So that's one of the things that you can do to for fun, you know? Like, you could do that. You could do Forgotten Desert. Please comment below for ideas, because I am terrible with videos. Like, right now I am stuck on videos. That's why I haven't, been posting videos. I am trying to do a mail time, but I do need more gifts, so please gift me. So thank you for watching. Comment below. Thank you for watching. Comment below. Subscribe, please. I'll try to make more videos, and thank you. Yay! Animal Jam. So, see you later. Thank you.